In this tutorial, you will learn everything about using Gamma to create stunning presentations with AI. I will show you how to turn ideas into full slide decks, use AI to generate content, design layouts automatically, tweak themes, refine slides, and make your presentations look clean and professional. By the end of this video, you will be able to create high-quality presentations in minutes using Gamma. Let's get started. You're going to log into your Gamma app. Here on the main dashboard, there is going to be a folder named by Gamma. Since we're using AI to create a presentation, with the very first option, we are going to click on Create New AI. By clicking Create New AI, this is going to take us to another web page. Here, there are going to be options. From the available options, you can choose whichever that suits you best. We are going to generate one using AI, so we're going to go here. Here in this text box, you can design your cards. You can use a specific amount of cards or theme, the layout, the language that you want. You can also go for web pages, documents, or a social media post. We are going to need a presentation. In this text box, you can write out a prompt that the AI is going to read out and generate an outline for you. Once you approve this outline, it is automatically going to generate a presentation that you can later on edit and save. Here I have typed out a prompt that I want the AI to generate. I am looking for a presentation for my bakery and to recruit employees. This is going to generate an outline that I am going to approve. If you don't like your outline, you can always go ahead and edit your prompt. Right underneath the outline, you can see how you want the text to be. You can either have the context very detailed or minimal. I want it to be concise, so it's best as it is. There are also themes here that you can select. You can always edit all of these options later on when you are in your editing webpage. I'm going to generate because I like this outline. This is going to take us to the whole editing page where I can edit the whole document according to how I like. You can use AI because this is really fast and it just creates a whole document in front of you in seconds. This is also very easy and saves time. If you don't want this and you want to manually edit every single card, you can go ahead and click on creating a presentation from scratch. Just like this, the whole presentation is right here. The AI is generating it and I can soon start to edit it however I like. Now this is the outcome of all my cards. Right here from this left list, you can click on your cards individually. If there are too many cards and you don't want to get lost and keep them organized, you can simply just keep track of them from here. You can add in new cards if you like. I like my presentation as it is. There are pictures that are also AI generated, which look amazing right here. For the very first card right here, which is going to be the main card, it's supposed to look appealing and eye-catching, so you can edit the text. This is not as appealing as I want it to be. I am going to name it like this. You can just click on the three dots. You can go ahead and if you want to visualize this text, you can go ahead, or you can just add bold, italic, or change the font from here. Everything else looks good in this slide. There is a beautiful picture right here. You can go through all of these tabs and make sure everything is according to your likings and your style that you are going for. If you don't like any of these AI generated pictures, you can simply click on them. You can edit it with Agent. You're going to click on it and you are going to add or remove anything else that you want from this exact picture. I'm going to remove background. This is going to give me a picture right here. While that is generating, we can go ahead and look at the rest of the cards. Okay, I'm going to put this right here. The AI generated the picture exactly how I wanted, and this is very useful because it saves time. You don't have to go and look for another editing app and then add it to your drive and then add it to the application that you are using. There are also labels and symbols and crafted AI comic-like logos right here. You can always edit these out however you like them. Everything else seems perfect. It's exactly how I wanted. If you want to change anything, there is this list You can add more basic blocks that you want to add, or you want to remove something and add or replace it instead. There are going to be note boxes, info boxes, success boxes, caution boxes. These are going to help enhance your presentation even better. There are simple text and heading options, just like how you have them on your Google form. You can simply drag and hold them and add them to the card. For smart layouts, you're going to click on them and you can see how there are bullets and other layouts that are also going to be useful. You can go through this whole list. It is very helpful. You can add graphs and charts just like this. I don't need any of these. If you don't like how the style or the theme is, you can just simply click on this theme right at the top of the page. Here you get many different themes and styles with different fonts and styles. I like my theme how it is, but I want to change just a little. You can add a new custom theme. You can just build a theme right there, or you can import a file from scratch. You can also generate a new theme if you like using AI. I am going to use a template that is already present here. I'm going to use this Clementa. You're simply just going to press on it and it just edits everything else accordingly just in a second. This is my final presentation. There are many tools that you can use right in this list. If you don't understand anything and need help, you can simply go ahead and click on this question mark. You can get keyboard shortcuts or any sort of help. This is a very easy to use application. All the tools are manageable and easy to use. You can just use all of these right in here. If you want to share it, you can just copy link and share it. Here is how my slides are actually showing. I like how the palette is exactly how I want it to be. The colors are exactly how I want it to be. Right here you can see the front is absolutely beautiful. You can edit a presentation using Gamma app. Just by using AI, you can type in the prompt. You can edit anything with prompt. It is all text-based. Before we officially wrap up this tutorial, I want to share a few extra tips to help you get the most out of what you just learned. First, don't just watch. Practice. Open the tool, try the steps we went over, experiment with the settings, and see how things work for yourself. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get, and the faster you'll improve as well. If you run into any questions, challenges, or errors while following along, drop a comment down below. Even if it's something small, asking questions is the fastest way to learn and master new skills. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future step-by-step guides like this. I post new tutorials regularly, and subscribing helps you stay up to date with the latest tools, tips, and tricks. Finally, also think about how you can use what you learned today in your own projects, work, or business. Apply these steps creatively and see what unique results you can achieve. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this tutorial helped you. Remember to comment your questions or ideas, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.